How are you today? Good. So now I'm shooting with the GoPro and I want to check it out. So I got the camera, the camcorder, and now I'm using the GoPro. So we're going to check it out. Took some pictures of real nice ladies inside here. Now I'm going to cross the street. But I got to tell you, come out and check this place out. It's a really good place. It is Molly Brown's out in Hesperia, off of Hesperia Road, and I believe it's Smoke Tree. Yes, it is Smoke Tree. So there it is, right there. Molly Brown's. Molly's. They did shorten the menu. Let me check this out. If I can get it open. It's very hard to get it open.
Was it glued?
Yeah. See that?
Yeah, I see it.
Nice. And sandwiches in the back.
Yeah. Okay. Not like anybody could read that, but yeah.
We'll slow it down.
Oh, okay. Okay, let me do it.
The menu.
Okay, so we'll go here. Okay. Next.
And you got your sandwiches and hot plate lunches.
Oh, they had this too.
Oh, look at that.
They got this too. Look at this.
Oh, yummy.
Look at this here.
Here
These
she
are
is.
good specials.
The star of the
right
show is our waitress today.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Very well.
So, okay, can I talk to you?
No, just a minute. I'm busy.
Can it say any other words? Yeah, this is what I have to put up with. Not every day of my life, but I do have to put up with it.
Here we go. Coffee.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, can you pass the pepper?
Sure.
Thanks.
Hey, the breakfast here is really good. Molly Brown's breakfast. Very, very good. Nice place. Just do a pan around real quick.
Good ambiance.
And then back. We're in the back area, so.
No, we're in the front.
No, we're in the back. I say back, he says front.
We're by the street, then there's the other side of the dining room.
Yeah, that's more like it. We're in, yeah. But anyway, breakfast, coffee, very good. The food alone is well worth the trip. The service, the food, and the happy faces. That's what make this place one of the best in the high desert. Say goodbye. Thank you.
Bye, thank you.
Great breakfast.
Fresh up cabbage.
Remember that.
Woo. So we're done. That's it. It's all for Molly's. A real quick. Well, shout out. Shout out.
Oh, getting
Shout
cold,
out.
huh?
Seriously. If you wanted to have a good breakfast, I gotta say, Molly Brown's has always been good. I've never had any complaints off Hesperia Road, but very good here. Come and check it out. Gosh. Can you add more stuff back there?
What's up?
He's a hoarder.
Here,
That's what he is, a hoarder.
here's some computer memory.
Oh yeah. I wonder how old the computer has to be to put this in it to work.
I give him something and then he insults me like that. How do I know? It was given to me.
We'll go try it. My computer turns black on the screen. Dang it. Talk to you guys later.